Have you ever wondered what would happen if you eat chia seeds every day? These miniature powerhouses originating from Mexico and Guatemala have been hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. Packed with a plethora of nutrients, chia seeds can contribute significantly to your health and wellness. They're versatile, easy to incorporate into various dishes, and their neutral taste makes them a great addition to any meal. So, without further ado, let's explore the incredible benefits of these tiny yet powerful seeds. Chia seeds are a true nutritional powerhouse. Here are the reasons why. These tiny yet mighty seeds are packed with an array of nutrients that can significantly contribute to our overall health and well-being. Firstly, chia seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber. A single ounce of chia seeds contains a whopping 11 grams of fiber. Consuming a diet rich in fiber has multiple benefits, including promoting healthy digestion, reducing the risk of heart disease, and aiding in weight management. Secondly, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. In fact, they are one of the best plant-based sources of these essential fats, which are known for their anti-inflammatory effects, as well as their ability to lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and arthritis. Another noteworthy feature of chia seeds is their high-quality protein content. Protein is a crucial nutrient for our bodies, playing a key role in building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting immune function. Not to be overlooked are the antioxidant properties of chia seeds. They are packed with antioxidants that help to protect our cells from harmful free radicals, thereby reducing the risk of various chronic diseases and promoting overall health. Chia seeds also offer considerable benefits for heart health. Their high fiber content, combined with their omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, work collectively to lower cholesterol, regulate blood pressure, and reduce inflammation, thereby supporting the health of our cardiovascular system. When it comes to weight management, chia seeds can be a valuable ally. Their high fiber and protein content promote feelings of fullness, which can help to control appetite and prevent overeating. Our bones also stand to benefit from the regular consumption of chia seeds. They are a good source of several key minerals for bone health, including calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Moreover, the nutrients in chia seeds can contribute to healthy skin. The antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids they contain can reduce inflammation and promote skin cell regeneration, leading to healthier, more radiant skin. Finally, chia seeds can play a role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Their high fiber content slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar and helping to manage diabetes. As we can see, the benefits of chia seeds are numerous and impressive. So why not consider adding this nutritional powerhouse to your daily diet? Now that we know the benefits, you might wonder, how can we add chia seeds to our daily diet? Well, the good news is, chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into your meals in a variety of ways. For breakfast, try sprinkling a tablespoon of chia seeds into your smoothie or yogurt to give it a nutrient boost. You can also mix them into your oatmeal or cereal for an added crunch. For lunch or dinner, consider adding chia seeds to your salads or stir-fries. They not only increase the fiber content, but also add a nice texture. And let's not forget about snacks and desserts. Chia seeds can be used in baking, added to homemade granola bars, or used to make chia pudding, a delicious and healthy dessert or snack option. As you can see, it's simple to add chia seeds to your diet. These tiny seeds can make a big impact on your health. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet can offer a range of health benefits, from supporting heart and bone health, aiding weight management, to promoting skin elasticity and stabilizing blood sugar levels. They're a versatile superfood that can easily be added in your daily meals or drinks. Packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, these tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients. So why not give it a try? Add some chia seeds to your diet and reap their numerous health benefits.